brains. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came
it somewhere, so I was like, all right, I'll definitely, 'tis the season. But
Yes.
I'm liking the red boots there.
Thank you.
Let's see here, my dear. How are we moving this morning, my dear?
I'm good. I'm good. Just still that the left side, you know. I've been having to get a massage.
Sure. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Massage
Nothing.
every night. Really.
Oh yeah. It takes time. Like I said, nothing. Anything. Veteran really. Years of wear and tear. It takes a while, but each time you should see, a little bit more motion. A little bit more. Able to turn. So slow, small things. No cartwheels instantaneously, but just little pieces. Right. We'll go on or back here, but the main thing is, hey, slowly getting you moving. Although it's a little chillier this morning getting moving, but little frost out there. Let's see, but let's see. Yeah, I was laughing because. Roll this way here. I need the. Yes, ma'am. Need the Christmas vacation eggnog little glasses, right? The little moose or whatever. But flat on her back. Get a little bit to eat this morning.
Oh, it's too early.
The kind of slow, kind of ease into it. You probably eat a lot of small meals. Yeah. Very good, my dear. Not bad. But yes, I'm loving the red boots. Those are awesome.
Thank you.
Suede is great. Just gotta make sure, no rain.
Right. That feels so good. My neck
Good
was
one over
stretching.
here. Let me help you sit up here. We'll do a little bit of muscle work. But yeah, that moved good. Not bad for get one here. But keeping that water up for me. But each time we get a little smoother, more mobility we can get, hey, the better. But any plans for the weekend there, my dear?
Just to do a little decorating in the house.
And finish up the last little bits and.
Yes, I actually have a business. It's called Heart Healthy Heroes and Heroes LLC. It's Heart Warriors Fighting Heart Disease. And what I do is I also have members, lifetime members, that we do three things. We provide three things. We provide care packages to them in June and December. We also provide resources for them to be able to get their heart medications at a discounted price. And the last thing is we provide phone calls, live welfare phone calls to check upon them upon request and stuff. And I had my first charity hardball fundraiser last year.
Nice.
So I'm having it into making it something that I do every year, and hopefully when I'm gone, that my daughters will hold on to it. But I'm having my second annual Heart Charity Ball March 2nd.
Oh, nice.
So, yes, everything turned out really nice last year. And each year it'll be a theme. Like this next year's theme will be mental health, wellness, and heart disease.
Nice. Hopefully, your daughters will keep on legacy, but not for a long time, though. That's all. I mean, hey, more advocacy for different
so I
things.
actually put my members your cards and their care packages.
Thank you.
For
Yes.
December and stuff, and I'm really promoting chiropractic because I'm like, where have y'all been all my life?
Hey, well,
why haven't I done this?
I mean, anything that's is all more natural, less medications, things like that. Always better whole body, not just from that the spinal outcome, but the healthier we can be, hey, That's the key.
So I'll be coming by here and as time approaches to see if anybody would like to attend or I won't solicit or anything like that, but just know that it is it's ran on me doing fundraisers and stuff like that.
Sure, yeah.
In the community. And
when it gets on time on there, but no, that is awesome. Yeah, people don't realize it takes a lot to coordinate those things too.
It does.
It's not
a lot of work.
Yeah, it's not.
But I love it.
It's not an instantaneous thing there, but just make sure, it's slowly, get some breakfast here this morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I was really looking forward to this visit. I was like, oh man, I can't wait to go back. Because when I left, I didn't have, and I haven't had any of this.
As much point, okay, good.
I haven't had any of that since I left. So I was like, oh, thank you, Jesus.
Hey, small little gains each time. Yes, ma'am, we'll put it up here, but yes, enjoy the rest of the day. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit for us here.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all see that? Crack, snap, crackle, and pop. The role of chiropractic and long-term injuries, so y'all know I can't have it on here too long because you hear the music in the background. So let me just do the posters and then I'll mute. This when I get ready to edit, okay? The role of chiropractic in managing injuries. Y'all stopped at McDonald's and got me the steak. Y'all know I like the little steak. Y'all don't know it, but y'all know it now. The little steak sandwich, instead of on a bagel, I wanted it on a hamburger bun. I always get on a hamburger bun. And a small cup of coffee. Ooh, excuse me. They be so stingy. I did sanitize my hands. Y'all know I'm on it. And they're so stingy with the little condiments, the little cream and sugar. She was getting ready. I said, may I have some cream and sugar? May I have some cream and sugar, please? She said, I put some, and then she said, oh no, I didn't put nothing in there. And then was coming ready to give me one each of cream and sugar, y'all. Why are they so stingy with the condiments? Y'all know I had my eyes halfway open. I'm sorry, Lord, because I'm at the light, okay? But, as you can see, I had my chiropractor. Y'all hear that snap? Did y'all hear that snap, crackle, and pop? Actually, it's the steak, egg, and cheese. The steak, egg, and cheese. I started not to get the egg because I don't usually like imitation egg. But this is like a, it's not like the little fold over egg that they make. Y'all know this little steak be the joint. Sure enough, too. Yeah, this little sandwich is good. It sure enough is. It's sure enough. Remember, what's his name? Mr. Show, was it Show Enough? And I think it was I'm Gonna Get You Sucker or something like that. Y'all. Okay, let me. Y'all, I knew my car
knew this car was driving a little funny lately. As soon as I got to the chiropractor and parked, it said tire pressure is low. 28. I had 28 psi on the tire pressure. Luckily for me, as soon as I get ready to leave for to go home, I see the tire place or where they can change the oil and all that, and they gave me air. Yeah. I sat in my car right where they gave me air. Well, they say just sit in your car, you know? I forgot the name of the place. But they were so nice in there, the guys. The guys are really nice. Because I said, oh, I didn't have no change on me, but I said, I got a credit card to, get some air. He said, oh no, it's free. He said, where you get your oil change at? I said, well, it comes with the car. When I bought the car, I got oil change for life with this. Or do I? No, I don't. No, I don't. Y'all, I'm thinking of when I had my Saturn. Because over at National Dodge and stuff, you get your oil change with the car. You get oil change for life. GMC, I don't have oil change for life over here. I have, they used to give me a good coupon and stuff. And you know, the dealership is always more expensive, right? But GMC, they take care of me and they give me the discount. Derek and Dakota over there in Derek and Dakota in what do you call it? In the service department and stuff. They always help me some. But the chiro felt good this morning. I was looking forward to it. You all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to deliver these care packages to my members, to the members of Heart Healthy Heroes and Heroes LLC, Heart Warriors Fighting Heart Disease. And, but before I do that, I have one other appointment. I have a 10 o'clock appointment. Remember I told you I'm taking you out on my little wellness journey and stuff, you know. I'm taking y'all with me in hopes that it'll encourage, motivate someone else. You don't have to be on the same journey as I am. you know, I have to do the exact same things. But let's help each other. Let's help each other and motivate each other. And let's think positive. Positive thinking breeds positive things, you know. It really does. It really does. Positive things definitely brings positive results and stuff. Even you're thinking positive and stuff like that, you know. And that's why it's always important to be around positive people. Because you can easily feed off of somebody else's energy. Because I can feel people's energy. Oh my gosh, I can feel people's energy. And I can tell if I want to be around them, in the vicinity of them, or anything. Yeah, I don't play when it comes to reserving my spirit, holding on to mine and stuff, because people have some bad juju around them, and I ain't trying to feel it. And I'm like this throughout the year, not just during the holidays. Okay? Y'all get y'all some empathy. For those who don't have it, get some empathy, honey. But anyway, y'all know I'm finished on my little sandwich. And there used to be a time that I wouldn't eat all this sandwich, but because I'm on my journey, I'm gonna do what I need to do to continue to, you know, to have to get this nutrition in me and stuff, you know. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate each and every one of you all for rocking with me. And y'all have a good one.